Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chelsea if you're new. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you everything that comes in the spring 2020 Fabfitfun subscription box. So I'm so excited to announce that I have partnered with them in their 2020 spring box. So I'm going to be showing you everything that come in it. I'm super excited because I've already kind of looked at everything. I haven't used anything, but I've looked at everything, and off back, I really do feel like for the price that the box is, which the box is $49.99, so $50, but I do have a $10 off discount code, so it'll be in the description box. The box is definitely worth it. If you're interested in seeing what comes in the box, make sure you keep on watching. So, quick disclaimer, this video is not sponsored whatsoever, and all of my thoughts are my own. This box is pretty heavy. Let me see if I can try to pick it up to show y'all exactly what the box look like. This box is so freaking pretty. When I opened my door and I seen it, I was like, what is this? Look how pretty this is. I just want to keep the box because I'm the type of person who loves packaging. I am a sucker for pretty packaging. Alright, so the first thing you're going to see when you open the box is like a magazine. This magazine is just telling you all about the brand, what they have going on, all that type of stuff. And it also has a page that have all the information of what comes in the box. Now, boxes come with different things. Every box will not be the same, so you and your friend might order a box. She may have different stuff than you. That's just how it works. It's customized basically like to you. So on this page, it has like all of the products that the box could possibly come with, and it also have like the prices on the side. So I'm the type of person who want to see like if I'm getting my money worth. So if you're getting a box that's $50, you definitely want to make sure the items in the box come up to be more than $50 so you can feel like you're getting a deal. Which all of these items definitely exceed $50. So I'm gonna just show y'all. This is the book. Let me just show y'all everything I got. So it came with a few like cards. This is a bite me card. It's like a discount. You get a discount on the at home impression kit or the alignment treatment. It's for your teeth, so you get that. Another discount code you get is the HelloFresh America's #1 meal kit. You get this, and it's for 9 free meals, including shipping. So this is really good, and I definitely do want to try HelloFresh, so I'm going to be checking them out. And now we're getting into the real goodies. So I'm going to use my book so I can read y'all exactly what everything is. So the first item is going to be this. It is a gravity weighted sleep mask, and it retails for $40. So it looks like this, and it's definitely heavy. Let's open it up. Definitely heavy. Looks like this, and you just undo this part and you sleep with it on your face. Let's see if it says what it's supposed to do. Catch some quality Z's. This weighted sleep mask blocks light and distributes a light touch across key pressure points. So this seems like it's good for like if you suffer from anxiety or anything else. This will block out the light and just let you get a really good night's sleep. And it's really heavy, and I'm definitely going to try this out. Definitely. The next thing is this from a brand called Wish. Really never heard of this brand, but let's see what it is. It is a restoring mask. Let's look in our pamphlet and see what this is about. Alright, so now we have this blue matcha restoring mask from a brand called Wish. And y'all, guess how much this retails for? $58. Mind you, the box is only 50. This is 58. The first thing was 40. So it says that the Wish Beauty blue matcha restoring mask. Use this mask to purify stressed skin and even out the pH balance. So, oh, and it smells so good. And I love this subscription box because it's not just based on one thing. Like, it's not like, you know how BoxyCharm is just like all beauty stuff. You have beauty, lifestyle, all types of stuff into one box. And I just think it's really, really cool. So, and it gives you an opportunity to try out brands you've never heard of. So the next thing is, y'all, I'm super excited about this. This is so freaking cool. They are silicone straws. Looks like this. And this retails for $15, and this is so cool. Like, next up we have Tarte. So now Tarte is a very, very, very popular brand, like in the beauty community. So let's see what this is. It says Tarte C Drink H2O Hydrating Boost. So this is like maybe like a moisturizer. Let's see. Ooh. Yeah, I think this is like a moisturizer. $39, y'all. $39. And it said it is a Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Drink H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer. Leave your skin soothed and refreshed with electrolyte packed hydration. So, oh, y'all, I'm so freaking excited because I needed a new moisturizer anyways. Oh my god, y'all. This is lit. You lift this up. Ooh. Mmm. It kind of has like a peppermint mentholy type smell. I'm gonna be trying this out tonight. Alright, so next up we have a Carvan. What does this say? Carvan Well Designed Travel. Looks like this. I'm not really sure what it is, but thanks to this book, I'll be able to tell you. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, it's a rug. See, this is what I'm talking about. You don't just get beauty or makeup, or you get all types of stuff, and this is just so freaking cool. It says it is a diamond woven rug. Add bohemian flair to your space with this black and white woven rug, and it retails for freaking $48. And I know exactly where I'm gonna put this at in my house. I'm gonna put it in my beauty room. Let me open it up so y'all can see it. And it's a regular, like a pretty big size rug. So this is what it looks like. Of AG Hair Care Fast Food Moisture. Let's see what this is about. 5A. Okay, it says it is a leave-in conditioner. It says dealing with frizzy dry hair, use leave-in conditioner to help moisturize and soothe split ends. So this is retailing for $24, and I definitely have split ends and my hair is definitely dry, so definitely going to be giving this a try. This is a watermelon energizing 2-minute polish peel. Looks like this, and the packaging is so pretty. It's like pink with the watermelons all over it. This is so cute. And the brand is Perlisi. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that right or not. This is what, 8B, and it retails for $35. Wow. Infused with extracts of watermelon and glycolic acid, this polish will give your skin a burst of freshness. So we have a freaking moisturizer, a mask peel, and then we have a restoring mask. Like, yes, come through Fabfitfun. I am so excited, y'all. Like, I am so excited. And it says it works for all skin types. So that's also good as well. Me personally, I'm more on the oilier side, so can't wait to see how this works. A rose gold brush. Let me show you. So this is what the brush looks like. It's a really, really pretty rose gold brush, and it's by the brand Aria Beauty. It says it's a Luxe Chrome detangling brush. Let's see how much this retails for. $35 for a brush? Oh wow. See, this is what I'm talking about. This may be like a luxury brush that I would have never known about, because it's no way in the world I'm spending $35 on a brush. But it claims to be perfect for all hair types. The extended bristles offer easy detangling and reduce stress on hair and scalp. So, sounds good. But honestly, I don't know if I was spent $35 on a brush. That's why I'm so glad that this is a thing, and this subscription box comes with so many things, and it is quarterly, so 4 times a year you will receive a box for spring, summer, winter, and fall. And like I said, the box is $49.95, but if you use my discount code you will get $10 off, so that will make the box what, $40. And this stuff is about over $200. Yeah, about over, maybe closer to $300 worth of merchandise only for $40 if you use the discount code. So yes, I hope so. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that this video was helpful to you. If you were considering getting Fabfitfun and you was just a little bit skeptical, I hope this was some type of confirmation to you. So remember to use the $10 off in the description box so you can save some coin, girl. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.